is 58 times 39. Or 58 getting added 39 times. But I'm not going to waste my time in the video just writing that 58 39 times. So let's do the multiplication. So 8, 9, 72. Put a 2 there. Slide the 7 over. 5, 9, 45. Plus 7. That equals 52. And since there's no more digits to do, we just write 500. We can write 52. Now, 3 times 58, and remember it's in the tens place, so we put a 0. 3, 8, 24. 3, 5, 15, plus 2, 17. So this is 1,740. So you can tell, I'm going to put the thousands mark there so you know it's a thousandths number. So 2 plus 0 is 2, 2 plus 4 is 6, 5 plus 7 is 12, and add the 1 to the extra 1, and that's a 2. I'm going to mark it with the thousandths number, so thousandths mark, so you know. So 58 times 39 equals 2,262. Next question. 328 times 45. It could also be 8 times 45. So first, it could also be 328 added 45 times, but I'm not going to waste my time. So 5, 8, 40, put a 0 there, and put a tiny 4 there. Not too big. 2, 5 is 10, plus 4 is 14. And 4, 5 is 20, plus 1 is 21. I'm going to put the thousandths mark, so it's going to be, that answer is 2,140. So I put another 0 here, because 4 times 428 is really 4, since it's in the tens place, it's 40 times 428. So 4, 8, 32, put a tiny 3 there. 2, 4 is 8, plus 3 is 11, 4, 4 is 16, plus 1 is 17, and we put the 7 here and the 1 here. And this equals 17,120, so I'm going to put the thousandth mark there. And now it's time to add. So 0 plus 0 is 0, 4 plus 2 is 6, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 7 is 9, and 1 plus nothing is 1. So I'm going to put the thousandths mark. So 428 times 45 equals 19,260. We're talking about math stories that involve multiplication. We're going to do like math stories that involve multiplication, and I hope you enjoy while we do the math. First question. The cruising speed of a jumbo jet is about 915 kilometers per hour. How far could it travel in 4 hours? It says the cruising speed of a jumbo jet is about 915 kilometers per hour, which means every hour. How far could it travel in 4 hours? So this is 915 kilometers, and it travels 4 hours, so we have to times 4. So we have to do the multiplication now. So 4 5s are 20. And 1 4 is 4 plus 2 is 6. And 4 9 36. And no more digits, so we can just write the whole thing. So this is how far the jumbo jet traveled. 3,660. Here's the thousands mark. A bottle holds about 0.85 pints of liquid. How much would 5 bottles hold? So 5 5, 25. So we're putting the 5 here, swiping the 2 here. And 5 8, 40. So put the 2 and plus 2, 42. So put the 2 here, put the 4 here, and remember, there's a decimal, so we need a decimal answer. So we have to count how many numbers are after the decimal. 1, 2. So we move our decimal up. 1, 2. So we move our decimal up here. So the answer to this question is there's going to be 4.25 pence if there were 5 bottles. I haven't learned about decimals yet, so that's another topic we're going to learn about later. Next question. How many seconds are in 3 hours? So 60 seconds are a minute. And 60 minutes is an hour. So this is a 2-step math problem. So the first question we're going to do is 60 multiple 60. But you wouldn't want to waste your time multiplying 0 to 60. But there's a trick. You can skip multiplying 0, but that means you have to put a 0 here, and then you can do the multiplying. So 6 0 is 0, 6 6, 36, no more digits, and we can just write both. So 60 times 60 equals 3,600. Now, they're asking us 3 hours, not 1 hour. So we have to do 3,600 multiple 3. 3 zeros is 0, 3 zeros is 0, 3 6, 18. And 3 3s is 9, plus 1 is 10. 3,600 times 3 equals 10,800. So, in 3 hours, there's 10,800 seconds. A football weighs 0.92 pounds. How much would 6 footballs weigh? So to solve, we have to do 0.92 multiple 6. So 2 6 is 12. 6 9 equals 54, plus 1, 55. We write 5 over here, and we have to count how many numbers are behind the decimal. 1, 2. So we put the decimal 1, 2. We put it right here. So 6 footballs would weigh 5.52 pounds. Today we were doing a little bit of stuff and the other stuff and multiplication, decimal issue. We really have to work on multiplication and do a lot of it. Multiplication is tough, so let's work on it together.